Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to log a phone call in Salesforce CRM quickly and easily. First, log into your Salesforce account using your email and password. Once you're on the home page, click the app launcher in the top left corner and navigate to the section where your call is relevant, leads, contacts, or accounts. Open the record you want to log the call for. Next, scroll down to the activity section and click Log a Call from the Quick Actions list. This lets you quickly document your interaction without navigating through multiple pages. Now fill in the details. Start with the subject, like Discovery Call, to summarize the purpose. In the comments section, add notes about the conversation and any follow-up actions. Salesforce will often autofill related fields, linking your call to the correct records. Finally, click Save. Your call is now logged and will appear in the record's activity timeline, keeping your CRM data organized and accessible. And that's it. You've successfully logged a phone call in Salesforce CRM. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.